So you're looking on how to cook cabbage steaks in the oven. Well, in this video, I bring you the simple step-by-step recipe on perfecting keto cabbage steaks in our oven. And I want you to stay to the end of the video because I'm going to reveal the other secret power of cabbage. Hey y'all, I'm Shelly in the ketogenic, low-carb, anti-inflammatory kitchen, helping you lose weight, decrease blood sugars, balance out your hormones, eliminate pain and migraines. And on this channel, we bring you the ketogenic, low-carb, gluten-free lifestyle that your waistline, body, and pocketbook will love. And if you're new here, consider subscribing, and I'm gonna give you a few seconds to do that, sugar. And at any time during our show today, you can check out the links and the show notes in our description box right below.
Enough chatter, it's time to talk ingredients. A head of cabbage. We're gonna use about a half a teaspoon or so of our Redmond real salt, love this stuff, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Preheat our oven to 450 degrees. And we prepped our baking pan by lining it with non-stick aluminum foil. This is super important so that the cabbage doesn't stick. And we're gonna need a super sharp knife for this. So this is something you definitely don't want the kids to be doing. And my trick is that I always kind of find, some folks call this the stem, and that's what I'm gonna call it. I lean it to the side and we're gonna cut it in about 1/2 inch thick steaks. We're gonna lay them in our pan. We're going to drizzle our olive oil and sprinkle it with some sea salt. So let's go. We interrupt this video to bring you a KLA product spotlight.
Now, did you know that our friend here, the cabbage, keeps inflammation in check? That's right, a cup of this great vegetable only has 4 grams of carbs, but it is also approved on Wall's protocol and many of our AIP plans. It's believed it's because of the load of vitamin C and sulforaphane that is in here to give its wonderful anti-inflammatory effect. So load up on cabbage, do this recipe, and back to our video.
Now this is the money shot right here. Get a load of these. These are absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to dive into these. The outer part of our cabbage has kind of this really crispy feel that I just love. This is a wonderful size, and guess what, gang? It is time for me to take a bite of these. Now, I could be all proper, or I could do something like this. It is smoking, so we're gonna let this bad boy cool off, and I am gonna dive into this. So here we go. Here we go. Oh, hot, hot. You know, gang, this is the perfect size for summer. We're gonna get a ton of cabbage for really cheap right now. I cannot quit eating this, it's so good. The flavor. Cook this recipe. It is absolutely amazing. Your pocketbook, your waistline, your friends, your family are all gonna what? And yes, I am picking out on this. Question of the day, friends. What is your favorite way to have cabbage? I'll let you know. This is mine. I want you to comment below. Let me know. And maybe I'll make that recipe in the future.
Well, y'all, I really enjoyed making this recipe for you all, and I hope it becomes a staple for your lunches and for your dinners. And thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and give us a little bit of a like button, and be sure to tag and share it with someone who either loves cabbage or is practicing the keto anti-inflammatory lifestyle. Now for your copy of an easy keto menu, be sure to click the link in the description box below. And from the KLA Kitchen, I'm Shelly, here where we bring you the no-fuss, real-world, ketogenic, low-carb, anti-inflammatory lifestyle. I wish you a great day. Bye-bye, friends. Walls.